This is the final look of the makeup. And here is my makeup artist. Where are you?
Gadi, come here.
Hey guys, so today you will get to see my makeup video, but my makeup will be done by my bestie.
Hi.
So let's get going. I'm sitting with my bare skin. I've done nothing. And first thing first, what do we do?
Skin prep. So first things first, you washed your face already. Face wash kar liya hai, lip balm laga liya hai. First thing that I need you to do is use a toner. Now I don't use toners. What I prefer is rose water.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah. Actually मैंने कभी किसी और का makeup नहीं किया है. So this is really weird for me. But I love using rose water. I don't like toners.
Actually, it irritates your skin.
Yes, it does.
And I think it's too acidic.
Yes. There are two options. Either you use niacinamide or go for a moisturizer directly. I normally use niacinamide to start my day.
I have never used it in all my life, so
Okay, it's first time.
first time. I hope it doesn't.
No, it will not burn nothing. You won't feel anything. It feels very soothing. It's like a serum for the skin.
So you see the application.
Another thing is I've never rubbed any serum on someone else's face. तो थोड़ा अजीब सा लग रहा है.
मुझे खुद अजीब लग रहा है because the way you're doing it is like a, what is it called?
Like कोई बच्चे के लिए कर रहा है.
हाँ. But actually, as far as I remember, nobody has ever done my makeup.
Now we're going with moisturizer.
Why are you hiding behind the camera?
Now we're going with moisturizer.
Okay. Can you tell us which brand are you using?
This is
Can you
the-
show off your brand?
This is the Clinique Moisture Surge.
Yeah, because she loves to spend money.
No, I don't love to spend money, but this is genuinely a very good moisturizer. I like the Clinique moisturizer. It's very soothing. So you can use it like a night mask also and go to sleep, like a night serum.
So because of her, I'm getting to use expensive products. Usually I don't. Tell me, how much does it cost?
It's obviously expensive, but it's definitely
On average. You don't even know. You know what she just said? It will come under 10,000 INR. 10,000. Are you kidding me?
नहीं इतना भी नहीं शायद उससे कम, but
Okay,
it's
so
above,
still
of course,
5,000
above
INR.
4,000. Yeah.
It's above 5,000 INR. Oh my god. So we are not promoting because we didn't get it for free.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, fan. Is this
Yeah.
a fan?
Yes. I'm going to the next thing, which is
Why
a
are you
primer.
hiding? Come here.
Okay. This one is a primer, and this primer is basically like a color corrector as well. So it's orange in color. This is basically to cover your scars if you
And
have
I
any
need
scars
color
or
correction, right?
Yes.
Do that now. You have got nails like this.
So this is how it looks.
Okay.
And now I'm going to take a little bit and put it on the spots on her face. Now, so I buy the regular disposable ones that you get, use it and then dispose of, because then you don't have collected bacteria on it.
But you know what I've learned is from a lot of makeup videos, when you use the sponge, you always dip it in the water so it gets moist enough and then it doesn't soaks the product. If you use it dry, it soaks the product.
Yeah, but I don't like the feeling of it on my skin.
Actually, we don't do any process. We just do what we
We
feel
like, exactly. And that's the best part about makeup, that you can just be your own creative
But actually,
artist.
even when you see a lot of makeup videos, like everybody, they have their own
Unique way of
doing
doing makeup, correct.
Yeah. No, not everybody's following the same process.
Yeah. So which foundation of MAC do you normally use?
Same Studio Fix.
But which one? The shade number?
Ah,
You don't know. So this one is...
do this, no? Nails.
So if you can see, this is NC40. There are some people who actually use just their fingers to do the foundation. Initially, I used to do that. You can do your foundation just with your fingers. But over the years, I've made it a practice to use a sponge.
My hairband is falling apart.
Let us just fix the hairband. So in concealer, this is my most favorite concealer. This one is L'Oreal Paris Infallible. Close your eyes, look up.
Close your eyes and look up.
Chin up, I mean chin up. हाँ. थोड़े से dark circles है. Okay. So there's one mistake that I made, which is I did not do an eyeshadow first. But
Yeah,
normally,
actually, yeah.
yeah.
I was just
The
wondering.
thing is, you start with the eyeshadow so that the fallout does not happen on your foundation and concealer. So this is the one.
Show
Now
the
you can-
colors.
It's a little messy.
That's why you were like trying to
I did.
give a new angle to it.
Yeah.
That's okay.
It's a little...
So, do you think we should add glitters? I like
I think we
glitter.
can go for this color crave.
I like glitter.
This is glitter as well.
Yeah.
But unless you want to go for something like infatuated or excited.
Excited.
Or kinky. These names are really fancy, yeah. These...
So, I think with this outfit, dark eyes will go, right?
Yes.
We shouldn't go with the light ones. Or do you
Yeah.
think so? We should.
We can try infatuated.
Yeah, then let's do the dark one.
So there's a concealer here, so you can take the brush and apply it on the eyes like a base.
Actually, this is very important.
Yes.
I usually use my foundation.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if there is any specific concealer for eyes. I don't think so, right? Usually when the makeup artists do use the concealer for eyes, I think it's the regular one, right?
I'm not sure. I'm not a makeup artist, but yeah, the good thing about this palette is that it has a concealer. So you have a nice base, and you can put your eyeshadow on top of that, so it will show your eyeshadow even more compared to when you just put your regular foundation as a base.
Because the color of eyes are quite darker, like, I mean, yeah.
Dark, and the
Not
skin
dark,
is
but
also very thin. Because of that, the eyeshadow does not really show if you don't put a base.
Do you think we should do smoky eyes? No, we should. Okay,
I do have a
Let's do
black
glitter.
eyeshadow palette.
It's okay.
You want to do glitter or smoky?
Glitter.
Okay, fine. I'm just going to hold the tissue, and you'll have to look down and chin up. It's coming off very nice.
Sometimes, you know, when I add glitter and I want to darken the color of glitter, I use the matte color of eyeshadow and just dab it to change the color in case we want a darker one. What do you think? This is better for this top? Let's look in the video. Should be okay.
It's okay. I feel like,
It's lighter.
yeah, I should have given a brown kind of. So it's looking too bright for her eyes and for her outfit at the top. So just to give her a little bit of natural effect, you'll have to again hold the tissue. Close your eyes. Okay, now it's going to give a bit of a pinkish effect.
This is darker. We are done with both of our eyes, and this is what it is. Quite dark, but let's see after the final look.
Yeah.
So
Now we're going for the liner. I like this kind of pointed liner, so it's easy for application. Close your eyes.
But you know, na, it's a task.
For
has
me,
to be.
yeah, for me, the best thing about doing the liner is this is a trick I apply. So close your eyes. You always stretch the skin over here and start from here. Now make a line from the edge, a thin line, and join both the lines. For myself, I prefer the pointed one.
I never use that pointed one.
I prefer that for like a pen, to use it like a pen on my
But
own
I
eye.
feel it's not that, like the consistency and thickness, like the
Yeah, like the liquid
of the
liner.
liquid is better.
Yeah, close your eyes. So this is a liner from Lakme. She's fanning me.
If you mess it up this time, you know this whole video is going to be.
Go for a toss. Okay, close your eyes. What? Just keep it shut. Even you laugh, keep it shut. Just keep your eyes shut. Keep your eyes shut.
Oh, okay.
Oh God. You can use this for the trailer of your video. Now I will use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This one is in the shade Natural Beige.
Okay, so we are done with this.
So this is going to be her final base. Okay.
I'm already Gorafied.
Yeah. My favorite mascara to use, it's from Sephora, and the brush matters the most for me. It has to be this thicker brush. So this is my technique of putting mascara. Look up. Close your eyes. Yeah. This is what I do. So what I basically do is I color each lash. I color each lash. 1 second. What are you doing?
In a serious situation like this, I usually laugh. Okay.
Okay.
We are waiting for correction. Oh, what is this?
Yes. So for that correction, close your eyes. So that same sponge with what I did my foundation base, I'm going to use that to wipe all the black kajal, liner, mascara, whatever. So time for blush now. I'm going to use the nude sticks. This is Bohemian Rose. I really like the fact that this comes with the blush on top and with the brush at the bottom. So I'm going to put this on her cheekbone. When your eyes are too bright, that's when you go for a subtle nude lip color. I'm going to use this Revlon palette. So she gets a very nice shimmery effect. To blend the highlighter
The way
with.
you are rubbing is like Diwali is outside.
I'm just trying to blend in there.
I love this.
Yeah.
So let's decide the lipstick. We have this nude. Charlotte Tilbury. Bobbi Brown. Are you kidding me? MAC. Are you serious? Fendi Beauty. So I'll show you how it looks. One. Oh, this is very light. This is also nice. Actually, I think this will look nice.
Now the rule for lips is you open your mouth. School days. You know, I always thought your lips are like big like mine.
They're not.
No.
Because the area is more. Actually, I do brows right after my base.
Yeah. I'm a little dated doing brow.
I usually use brown color for brows.
Yeah, it's brown.
Not bad. Yes, I need the wing.
Okay, let's do the
Let's
wing.
wing it.
Let's wing it.
If you do anything wrong, I will kill you. Oh, what the what are you trying to make me? It was better before.
Okay.
I'm going to destroy your whole makeup career. What the hell is this? It's so big. Oh my god.
I
don't-
like it.
What the hell? I have never used this big eyeliner. Wait, let's change the lipstick because now with this wing, I think
Yeah, it's getting
the lipstick is getting too much. Now we cannot highlight the lips anymore, so we have to remove the lipstick and stuff. With this kind of liner, where I'm looking no less than a vamp. Give me like a nice bindi also, and then sari and all that, and then I'll act like. Okay.
Okay, use this one.
Okay, let's try this. Better or what? Better, no?
Just remove your hairband. Let's
Of
see
course.
the final look.
What are you going to do with the final look? Because you already.
So we kind of messed up the eyeliner. So I'll try to fix
Here
it.
is the makeup artist for that.
No, so I'll show you a nice way to fix it. Okay.
Okay, fix. But don't.
No, you can make it less. You can make it less. One sec.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we're gonna make it
I will
lighter.
kill you if you screw this time.
No.
You're going to puncture my eyes or what?
Okay, the thing
It's
is,
okay. We could have just changed the look. Like we could have. It's okay, no. You see, you smudge it. Now it's touching my eyebrows.
No, 1 second.
I will kill
I will make
you.
it light. Hold on.
That's why they said always put a what is it called? Like a thin liner, so that you can just keep making it bigger and thicker. But the first thing you do is you put the thick eyeliner. You see what you did?
1 second. I've not fixed it. Let me fix it. A little lighter now.
Okay, so do I go through the same pain on this side? I was not prepared for this, guys.
We are fixing our error.
I was not prepared for this. Ah! But I've seen that I usually put thin eyeliner and you do always thick.
Thick. Yeah.
We
Then
are
I like
so
to have those cat eyes
opposite.
wings. Look, see this. I like to have that cat eyes wing.
Now that you do whatever, you just have to put the liner right on track. Okay, tell me, how much time do you think you have taken for this? It's more than 1 hour.
Yeah.
And usually you take how
1
much
hour.
time for yourself?
1 hour.
What the hell? Are you serious?
Yeah.
I only take 10 minutes.
I like to sit in front of the mirror, taking my time to do my makeup, to figure out what eyeshadow I want, if it's working, not working. I like to take my sweet time to do my makeup.
Okay.
Alright, so we have fixed the blunder.
This time, be careful. This is the second time.
That's it.
You make little.
Yeah.
You just keep saying little, and it goes and touches my eyebrow.
Can you stop moving now?
Rook. Yeah, this gives me the look of this. Chhod do aanchal zamana kya kahega.
Let me just point it. God, this girl.
Okay, don't blame me now. Okay.
Okay, wait. Do it. Let me just do it. Come here. I'm done. Back up. Oh God, I'm so done.
Oh shit. Okay.
Okay.
Just next step is like you just take out your makeup remover.
Okay. So finally, this is the final look.
Don't waste your setting spray.
No, this is the final look. Okay.
Okay.
We'll use the setting spray. Okay. Close your eyes. So this is what I do after my setting spray. I use this fan. Makeup is done. It's about 4 in the afternoon. She can go like this for a night out also, for a club or something like that.
Okay.
She's ready.
I like the look, to be honest. I like the lips. I like the cheeks. See, I've never put this thick eyeliner in a very long time. So this is quite good experience. Actually, yeah. Like, it actually gives me quite a retro
Yeah.
vibe.
Yeah.
I mean, this makeup is quite suitable for retro look. So,
If you remove the hairband, you can get rid of the retro look as well.
yeah. And then you can go,
The most sexy look.
yeah. So, this was the makeup artist for the day. And tell us in the comment section if you have liked and what you have liked. And if not, then what not. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. So, this is the final look of the makeup. And here is my makeup artist. Where are you?
Chotu.